This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView crypto screener. To begin, navigate to the products drop-down on TradingView, then select Screeners and choose Crypto Coins or Crypto Pairs. This tool allows you to scan thousands of cryptocurrencies. You can immediately start exploring the default list, which is often sorted by market capitalization. This initial view provides a broad overview of the crypto universe, helping you get acquainted with the platform's layout and basic functionalities. Once in the screener, you can apply various filters to refine your search. Click the Filters button to access options like market capitalization, trading volume, and price changes. You can also add technical indicators such as relative strength index or moving average convergence-divergence to identify specific trading setups. Customize the displayed columns by clicking the three-dot menu, allowing you to add or remove data points relevant to your analysis. Don't forget to save your customized screens for quick access later. After applying your desired filters, analyze the results to spot potential opportunities. Sort the cryptocurrencies by different metrics like performance over various timeframes or by specific technical ratings to see which assets meet your criteria. The screener can help you quickly identify coins that are, for example, showing strong upward momentum or are potentially oversold. You can click on any listed symbol to view its detailed chart and further research. This streamlined process helps in making informed trading decisions. For advanced users, consider combining multiple filters to create highly specific screening criteria, like finding coins with a market cap between $100 million and $1 billion, showing a 24-hour volume over $50 million and an RSI below 30. You can also set up alerts directly from the screener to notify you when a cryptocurrency meets your predefined conditions, ensuring you never miss a potential trade. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This powerful tool is essential for any serious crypto trader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.